Today we are going to be checking out my bike setup. Currently I don't have everything on, but let's get to it. So, see you in a minute. This bike is beautiful. It's a Kona Shred 24. Kona is a reputable brand. It's quite a good bike. Got it used, it's got scratch marks, it's been ridden. It's got a 1x7 speed. I know 7 speed isn't that much. I don't need many gears. No, it's got, I don't know what brand fork that is. Don't know, but we're trying to figure it out. I've got a box of bike stuff somewhere that has the fork in it. This is beautiful. So this is all of my things now in the line. So we got a pump with things to attach it to the bike. Then we've got like a big multi-tool, and then we've got a I think it's a 20-inch inner tube. Yeah, don't know why I have that, but I use it. Then I've got a bag that I strap onto my, what's it called? I can't remember now. It's a tube on my bike. Zip ties, tyre levers, patch kits. And if you can see down there, another multi-tool because it's got other things in it, and then a bag. So yeah, that's it. So first up, we got this DT Win cycling bag with a little pocket in there, and it's got storage. It zips on. It's got a big zip. It goes all the way around. You can put your inner tube, multi-tool, patch kit in there, or long things, and then in this pocket you put your car keys, multi-tool, phone or anything like that, which is nice. And that's pretty much it about with this thing. So the other thing I carry is a nice 20-inch inner tube. Not for me, I run 26-inch tire, I think. This is because I don't have a 26-inch tire. I need to get one. So yeah, that's cool. Oh, this is amazing. I just found out some things yesterday. So it's got that is amazing. Never knew about this. But that clips on the side. You might be thinking, but you can see it on the inside. I didn't even know. I couldn't even see that. Well, and on this side. Oh, that side hurts more to get off. But it's got spoke wrenches and it's another tyre level. So yeah, it's good. Can get it on the right way. There we go. So you got your chain tool. Very annoying. You have to get another Allen wrench on this bit to do it, but it's okay. Chain tools, got hex wrenches, got like, what millimetre is that? 2mm. It's got screwdrivers, it's got, I think that's 8mm on it. Then on the inside in here, how do I get that out? Ah, there we go. Push on that, and this comes out. You put this on your hex, and it's a T25, which is useful. And that's pretty much it for this. Topeak, don't know what it's called though. It's made by Topeak. Oh, and this is from Halfords. As well as this, Halfords Essentials Puncture Repair Kit. So we open it up. You got your glue, you got your chalk to mark where it is. Wait, what is that actually? Oh yeah, it's chalk to mark where it is. Can't remember what that's for. I think it's for marking. And then you got sandpaper to sand down the tyre where it's punctured, and the not tyre, inner tube where it's punctured. And then you got your puncture bits there. Oh, yeah. So you got your glue. It's been sitting around for ages because I haven't used it, so it's got chalk all everywhere. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Halfords Essentials Puncture Repair Kit. You see that on camera? I hope so. Then you've got this. That's the other one. Sorry about that. So you've got your pump. This is mind this. A Decathlon pump. This comes out, it's lovely. Does Schrader and Presta valves, and it's locks, and you put these. I'll try and make a quick demonstration. You put that bit. Wait, no, being down again. Wait, how do I do it again? Oh, I'm being done. So, is that it? Yeah, that's it. That, and then that. Wait, no, that's not. I'm being silly. There we go. So that goes in there. That wraps around your tube, and then you strap that around there, and then you've got two of them to clip it in. These were separate products. But there's two of them in the things. I'll try and leave links to them in the description if I can find the links. So now let's move on to tyre levels. These came in a patch kit. Don't know where that patch kit's gone, so I can't really leave a link to these in the description. But I'll try and leave some tyre level links in the description that I think are good. Then we've got the very good heavy duty 200mm wrench for nuts. Yeah, I know. Nuts for undoing the tyres. So like, it's a stiff one. I'll probably leave a link to a better one in the description from it, probably be Halfords or B&Q. And that's it really. That's the wrench, it's adjustable, that's it. Zip ties, you know how they work. Doing it backwards so I can reuse it. Goes through there, tightens on. Then, it doesn't normally come out because I put it around the wrong way, that came out, so pretty standard zip ties. Then we've got the, yes, the saddlebag made by BT Win. So this straps onto your saddle, it's got a little pouch that you can put in. Oh, that's actually quite nice. Then you can strap your keys around that and then you just pop it on your saddle. It's pretty simple. Don't think there's any hidden compartments, and there's that for your thing. This, best to last. Okay, sorry it's messy. This is a very, very capable multi-tool. You've got your spoke wrenches, you've got your bottle opener. I think they're, I don't know what they are. That's just a strap on. You've got two tyre levers. Pretty good. Then you've got your chain tool. I'll demonstrate. I will demonstrate this though. So, get this. I'll leave a link. This is only available in France. I'll leave the French link to it so you can get it if you're in France or somewhere. So you get this. That slides onto your 6mm. You can hear the plane outside, it's making an utter racket in here. And then you can get any of these bits and pop it in there. All this end, it doesn't matter. And then you can just screw it, and it's very good. I use it quite a lot. Yeah, it's good. And then, of course, on here, got your 8mm. So that's used for Kona bikes. On Kona bikes, it's used for to undo the head cap that we just made test. Yeah, it's definitely that. And then you pop it back in, pretty standard. It's not much really. And then let's just demonstrate the chain tool. Oh yeah, you got all your Allen wrenches up to 8mm, no 7mm though. Never use it on the bike. That goes in there. The 5mm and 6mm have got ball ends to get into place. It's a chain tool. Put your chain on there, tighten it up, pops out the link, and you're done. So you've got your tyre levers, your two spoke wrenches, your hex wrenches, and your chain tool. I think this was €16, I think. I'll try and convert that into pounds on the screen around now. So if we pop those back on, that's the main. There we go. Wait, nope. Is that it? That's it, I think, yeah. And you can pop it into your little case. Oops. Yeah, you do have to have your hex wrenches on the back, like this bit, and then the thing at the front, and the way it doesn't slide in. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you can. And thanks for watching. All the links, and I'll put some zip ties in the description. They'll probably be on Amazon. And the links to everything, hopefully everything will be in the description. Maybe not that. I'll try and find an alternative. That I'll put, and that will be French link though, that one, because it's only available in France because Decathlon's a French company. So thanks for watching. Subscribe.